craftable here. And today I'm going to faction. See, no, I'm in the video. So let's get to it. Woo! Okay, right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is some factions. We're kinda full. Yeah, I'm sorry it's noisy because my mom's gonna cook something, and my brother's right here. I'm my cousin. Yeah, I'm not much of American, but I'm a Filipino. This is a huge base here. It's kinda huge, so I think no one can find this. Oh my god, the lag. I'm sorry about the lag. The server is mine, and I'm not the leader. I don't assume I'm the only one at my room. Oh man. Okay, so bye guy. I shall give you the diamond sword when I see you. Okay. I know. But I think I have a diamond sword up here. Yeah, I think yeah, I do. I do have. Here you go. If you wanna play on this server, I'll give the I'll give down the IP below and we disconnect. And I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm sorry about that. The lag. They just kicked me. I don't know why. And I'm going to break this side. Okay. As you can see, it's a glitch. Yeah, it's the hearts 40. And I'm eating again. What? Okay, let's just break this sign. The freak is wrong with me. Oh my god, okay, I'm done and let's do this. Let's get out and so that I think I'll end the episode, you guys. I'm sorry it's not that. Sorry, guys. Just subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoy, and in the next video will be reading. I promise you guys. I'll promise you. So, yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.